Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include blind spot monitor, steering wheel controls, third row seating. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, active grille shutters, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, keyless start, security system, MP3 player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.